this week just keeps getting crazier and crazier. Another great fight happening. Canelo takes on William Skull for the IBF Super Middleweight Championship. Canelo was forced to vacate his belt recently, so William Skull he has the titles obviously, so he's going to be defending his titles against Canelo on Saturday, May 3rd, and I've got Canelo winning. It will be a great fight, I reckon. William Skull, he trains like absolute beast, absolute animal. He trains like Canelo. Obviously, we all know Canelo. He's class. He's world level. But yeah, we'll guess we'll see what happens on Saturday, May 3rd. Who have you guys got? I've got Canelo winning by unanimous decision. Although I do think Canelo will drop William Skull, but yeah, he'll win by decision in my opinion to get his IBF Super Middleweight Championship belt back. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below.